Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, sit down, all of you. So, in our EVS, okay, we are going to start a new chapter today. Okay, chapter number 27, Conservation of Plants and Animals. What is the chapter name? Conservation of Plants and Animals. Okay, before going to the chapter, let's discuss our nature. Let's discuss about our nature. What do you mean by nature? Tell me. Nature मतलब क्या समझते हो? What do you mean by nature? हमारी जो प्रकृति. Okay, nature. Okay, what do you mean by natural things? What do you mean by natural things? Natural things means the things that we are getting from our nature. Okay, can you give example of any natural things that we are getting from our nature? Soil we are getting from our nature, water we are getting, sunlight we are getting, yes, and metals, many things are that we are getting from our nature. Yes or no? So, tell me one thing, that is our duty to save the natural things or not? That is our duty to protect the natural things. Okay. So, one question is there, why should we conserve natural things? Why it is important to conserve natural things? If we will not conserve, then what will happen next? Can anybody tell the answer? Can anybody explain? Why should we conserve our natural resources? We should conserve. Conserve मतलब क्या समझते हो? What do you mean by conserve? Yes? To protect, to save. Okay, very good. Sit down. Conserve means क्या? टू प्रोटेक्ट. कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे? कैसे सेव करेंगे? ओके, संरक्षण करेंगे. ओके, दैट इज सो व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू कंजर्व आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. इट इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट टू कंजर्व आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज बिकॉज if we will use all the natural resources, means you know renewable and non-renewable. What do you mean by renewable resources? Natural resources again divided into two. Okay, natural resources divided into two types. What are that? Renewable and non-renewable. So what do you mean by renewable resources? Renewable means जो renew हो सकता है, renew हो सकता है, means that is come back again, that is regenerate again. Okay, but non-renewable means what? Yeah, that can't come back again. Okay, that can't regenerate again. Okay, for example, renewable means what? We can say crop, sunlight, air, etc. that are going under renewable resources. And non-renewable means what? Petroleum, petrol, then metals, etc. Okay. So, renewable means that are found in unlimited quantity, okay, or regenerated again. But non-renewable means that are found in nature in a limited quantity. Okay, it will not regenerate again, or if it will generate also, it will take a longer time. So, for example, petrol. Okay, petrol is in our earth in a limited quantity. Okay, if we will wasting petrol, then a time will come there is no petrol for our future generation. Yes or no? If we will all use, or if we will use all petrol, okay, then there is no petrol for our future generation. Then just think about our future generation. how they will manage without petrol? Okay, they will see in the museum only. Okay, petrol they will see in the museum only. So, for that thing only we have to conserve our non-renewable resources or plants and animals. Okay, so what is that my question? Why should we conserve natural resources? You understood or not? It is important to conserve natural resources because that are so important for us and for our future generation. We have to conserve that resources. Understood? So, for today I am going to start the conservation of plants and animals. Why plants and animals are important for us? First tell me. We are human beings, okay, and many plants and animals are there in our surrounding. Why it is necessary? Why it is important to conserve them also? Tell me. Why they are important for us, animals and plants? Why? Why plants are important for us? First tell me. Because we are getting many useful things from plants. Okay, without plants our survival is also impossible because they are giving oxygen. First important thing that they are giving oxygen to us and they are absorbing carbon dioxide from us. Yes or no? Huh? In their photosynthesis process, in their food making process, they are absorbing carbon, they are using what? Carbon dioxide and they are giving us oxygen. That oxygen we are breathing. Yes or no? So, and many useful things like wood, okay, then medicines, pepper we are getting from plants. Okay, then animals, we are dependent on animals also for our food, for many useful things. Yes or no? So, it is very important to conserve them also. Okay, so without them also there is a imbalance in our nature. Okay, ecosystem imbalance हो जाएगा. What do you mean by ecosystem? Ecosystem means a community or a group of living organism means plants, animals, human being, microbes, etc. Okay, in a particular area, that are living in a particular area. Okay, if we will not conserve the plants, animals, then there is an imbalance in the nature or ecosystem. So, it is so important to conserve, okay, the animals and plants. Okay, so many animals are there in our surrounding. We are saying we see many animals around us. Yes or no? Variety of animals and plants. Okay, so many animals are there. They are going to extinct. Okay, going to extinct now. What are that animals? Can you give example? Going, yes, tiger and snow leopard. Okay, and tell me what do you mean by extinct? Extinct. Dinosaur have you seen? Have you seen dinosaur? I am just asking, really have you seen? Huh? Okay, but in pictures, in TV, in movies, we have seen dinosaurs. Dodo you have seen? No, because that animals are not there on our earth because already they are extinct. Okay, there is no existence of that animals. Okay, वो exist ही नहीं करते हैं अभी दुनिया में. But we listen, we have heard their names. Okay, we saw their pictures in TV or in magazines or like that. We only saw their pictures. So now many animals are there which are on the verge of extinction. Means वो extinction के कगार पे हैं. Okay, that are known as endangered animals. For example, snow leopard, tiger, blue whale. If we will not save, if we will not protect them, they will be extincted again. Okay, like dodo, like dinosaurs. Okay, so it is our duty to protect them also. Okay, so then conservation of plants. Conserve the animals. Now many animals are on the verge of extinction. How can we protect that animals? Tell me. You know deforestation. What do you mean by deforestation? Cutting down of forest. Okay. They are not getting enough food. Okay. And if they will not get enough food, okay, if there is imbalance in the nature, they will die, they will be extinct. So we have to conserve forest first. Okay, we have to conserve first forest. कैसे फॉरेस्ट को कंजर्व करेंगे? हाउ? फॉरेस्ट को कैसे बचाएंगे? सो वी हैव टू protect the forest first. Okay, we have to protect the trees in the forest first. Then we will save the animals also. Okay, for example, now we already means you heard that elephants are coming to the village, elephants are eating the crops. Okay, every day this type of news you are heard. You are yes or no? You are hearing or not this type of news? So tell me one thing, why the elephants are coming to villages and towns? Why they are not staying in the forest? Tell me this, if you know, just give the answer. Can anybody give an explanation on this? Why the elephants are coming to the villages and towns? Because there is no forest for them. Okay. क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट तो सारे कट कर रहे हैं लोग, तो वो लोग रहेंगे कहाँ? Well, because they are not getting enough food for them. उन लोगों को खाना नहीं मिला है. Because the people are cutting down the forest, cutting down the trees. Okay, and if that animals are not getting sufficient food, enough food, then they will come to our villages and towns for in search of their food. Yes or no? हाँ? वो आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे? हमारे विलेजेस में, टाउन्स में. सो दे आर कमिंग बिकॉज वी आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग द नेचुरल हैबिटेट. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम वी आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग द नेचुरल हैबिटेट. वो जहाँ पे बढ़े थे, वो जहाँ पे खाना खा रहे थे, वो नेचुरली ग्रो कर रहे थे. बट वी आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग देयर प्लेसेस फॉर आवर अर्बनाइजेशन, फॉर मेकिंग बिल्डिंग्स, फॉर मेकिंग अपार्टमेंट्स, फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज, फॉर फैक्ट्रीज. वी आर destroying the forest. Okay, so they are not getting food there, so they are losing their natural habitat and they are coming to our villages and towns and they are eating our crops. Okay, so to protect them we have to conserve the forest also. Yes or no? Huh? So what is conservation of forest? Tell me. Maintenance of forest is known as conservation of forest. Okay. So we have to stop cutting down the forest first, cutting down the trees first. And reforestation, we have to do reforestation. अगर हम काटते हैं एक पेड़ तो we have to plant 10 trees. Okay. अगर एक पेड़ काटेंगे तो कितने पेड़ लगाएंगे? 10 trees. We have to plant 10 trees. Okay. Means for deforestation. Now there is imbalance in our nature also. How? Tell me. Yeah. Rainfall. Okay. There is less rainfall. Okay. Rainfall भी imbalance हो रहा है. Okay. For rainfall कभी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है तो कभी बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है और ऐसे ही imbalance हो रहा है हमारे नेचर में. Okay. For that thing only global warming भी हो रहा है. What do you mean by global warming? Gradual increase of temperature on our earth. जो धीरे धीरे टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है अर्थ का. Okay. Why that is happening? Tell me. Because of deforestation only. Because we are cutting down the trees और पूरा इकोसिस्टम, पूरा नेचर इम्बैलेंस हो रहा है. फॉर दैट ओनली वी आर सफरिंग ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. ओके. फॉर दैट थिंग ओनली वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स. ओके. सो वी हैव टू कंजर्व forest and conserve animals to keep a balance in our nature. Okay, to keep a balance in our ecosystem. So, what are the ways by which we can conserve forest or animals? Tell me. Or we can conserve our natural resources also. Can you tell one way? Anybody can tell? To save fuel. First, come to fuel. If we want to save fuel, what we have to do? We all have personal vehicle. Yes or no? Many people have personal vehicles now. Okay. But we can use public transport or not? Huh? Because if we will use public transport, we can save fuel also. Yes or no? To go to nearby places, we can use our bicycles. Okay. By that way also we can save some fuel. Yes or no? Huh? Because in bicycle, if we will ride a bicycle, there is a exercise of our body also, and we can save some fuel also. That is one way, okay, for saving our natural resource, that is fuel. Then we should use a cloth or jute bag for shopping instead of polythene. Okay, you all know that polythene is not good for our environment. Okay, is polythene is good for our environment? No, because that is not disposable. Polythene is not disposable. पॉलीथीन की वजह से क्या हो रहा है? लैंड पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. ओके, क्या हो रहा है? लैंड खराब हो रहा है, लैंड पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. सो वी हैव टू स्टॉप द यूज ऑफ पॉलीथीन. ओके, सो व्हाट कैन वी यूज एज ए ऑल्टरनेटिव ऑफ पॉलीथीन? वी कैन यूज पेपर बैग और जूट बैग. Yes, in this way we can what? We can stop the use of polythene. We can save our land also. Then we should use reusable shopping bags for groceries. Okay, हम bags को reuse कर सकते हैं, reusable bags use कर सकते हैं. Then first thing we have to means if we want to save our natural resources, then we have to recycle, we have to reuse, and we have to reduce. Okay, 3R system. We have to use 3R system. 3R you know? First reuse, reduce, recycle. Okay, reuse means what? We are using paper. Okay, paper we can recycle or not? Paper we can reuse or not? Tell me. How? Because from where paper is coming, tell me first. Paper is made from the pulpwood. Yes, yes or no? For paper only many trees are cutting down every day. पेपर बनाने के लिए भी बहुत सारे ट्रीज को काटे जा रहे हैं. Just imagine, and you children all are tearing your papers from your copies. You are making means aeroplanes. That yes, I have seen. Okay, many children are playing with the papers also. Is it good? No, because for one paper also one tree is cutting down. Yes or no? So we have to reuse the paper. Okay, जो magazines होते हैं, newspaper होते हैं, we can use that papers for our cover. Means जो books में लगाते हैं cover. For that we can use that magazines or newspapers. Yes or no? And we can use the paper means we can write in both the sides of the paper. Okay, and कोई copy अगर बच गया है, we can use that copy. Yes or no? Means you are in class 5 now. Okay, you will not use the class 5 copies again. In classes you will not use, but when you are reading at your home, you can use that copies or not? Huh? So in this way we save some paper also. Yes or no? Huh? So these are the some ways. Then we should use old calendars for covering books or notebooks. Now I told that हम use कर सकते हैं calendars for covering our notebooks and books also. Then we should turn up the lights and fans before leaving a room. Okay, जब क्लास से बाहर जाओगे, for example you are going for your lunch. Okay, you will switch off the fan or light, yes or no? So in that way we conserve some light, some current also, for some energy also. Okay, then we should not. Okay, many children are wasting water also. In the canteen also I have seen many children are wasting water. Okay, so we have to stop that wasting of water also. How we can stop? While brushing, okay, we should क्या करेंगे? हाँ, yes, we should close the tap while brushing. जब ज़रूरत नहीं होगी तब बंद कर देना है. Okay, then we should plant more and more trees. अगर हमें बचाना है तो हमारे एनवायरमेंट को, then we should plant more and more trees. अगर pollution से बचाना, if we will protect, if we want to protect our environment, if we should protect our environment, then what we have to do? We have to plant more and more trees. By planting more and more trees, we can save our natural environment only. We save animals also, okay, and we save ourselves also, okay. Only one important way, that is planting more and more trees. Okay, then everything will be balanced in our nature. Understood? That's all for today. Thank you children. Have a nice day.